Welcome back to Product Critique, where we evaluate the best products to enhance your life. Today, we are excited to present the best coin magnifier on the market, the digital microscope with a 4.3-inch LCD display. If you are a coin collector, a hobbyist, or someone simply curious about the intricate details of coins, this digital microscope is indeed a game changer. What sets this microscope apart? First and foremost, it features a stunning 1080p resolution that allows you to explore your coins with remarkable clarity. Whether you're scrutinizing the intricate designs or pinpointing small errors, you can do so with ease. The 4.3-inch LCD screen provides a comfortable viewing experience, allowing you to easily analyze your findings without straining your eyes. One of the standout features of this microscope is the 8 adjustable LED lights. Proper lighting is essential when examining coins, as it highlights the details and minimizes shadows. With the adjustable brightness feature, you can set the perfect level for your specific needs. This ensures that you never miss a tiny imperfection or detail on your coins. This microscope is not only compatible with Windows but also features a USB connection that makes it incredibly easy to operate. Simply connect it to your PC, and you're ready to go. Whether you prefer to observe live images on the screen or capture them for later analysis, the options are limitless. Let's quickly recap the exceptional features that make this digital microscope a must-have for coin enthusiasts. A clear 1080p resolution ensures that every detail is visible. The 4.3-inch LCD screen makes viewing comfortable for extended periods. 8 adjustable LED lights provide optimal illumination. And the USB connectivity ensures compatibility with most systems, truly a versatile tool for your collecting needs. While we won't delve into specific user reviews today, it's worth mentioning that many have praised its affordability, user-friendly operation, and impressive image quality. This balances quality and price, making it a top choice among collectors and hobbyists alike. In conclusion, if you're searching for a reliable and efficient coin magnifier, look no further. The digital microscope with its advanced features and practical design undoubtedly stands out in the crowded market of magnifying devices. With its ability to reveal the hidden beauty and history of your coins, this might just become your new favorite collecting tool. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this overview helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product insights. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore more amazing tools that enhance your hobbies and interests. Happy collecting!